Hello my dear friends, welcome to series of facts. Today I am going to tell you some facts about success. Everyone has their own definition of success. For some, success is shabby. For some, success means hard work. But today I am going to tell you some facts about success according to research. So let's see what are those facts. Fact number 1. Success isn't all about talent. One of the psychologists investigated the characteristics of some people who achieved great things in their life, and she found that being successful is not all having right genius and talents, but it has much more to do with grit, and which is a unique blend of passion and perseverance. And the great news is that your ability to achieve something in your life doesn't depend on what you were born with. If you want to be successful, you can stop focusing on your natural talents and start developing your grit, that is your passion and your perseverance. Fact number 2. Imposter syndrome is more harmful than we thought. Most of us have suffered at one or another point in our life from this imposter syndrome. For example, I am not capable enough, or doubting your skill or talent and always remaining in fear of failure. So these are some examples of imposter syndrome, and for many years we thought that this is a confidence issue. But the recent study reveals that those having higher level of imposter syndrome tend to have lower salaries and fewer promotions, and it can have lasting effect on their career. So now it is time for you to work through your imposter syndrome and know your worth. Fact number 3. Success is more correlated with productivity and not age. Recent study found that success did not depend on age. The person who is more productive can make impactful contribution to their field because they ran more experiments during their careers and focused on spending lots of time with their work. And the great news is that you don't have to worry about not getting breakthrough success at young age. Instead of that, start focusing on your work and what matters you, and take time for what matters to you. So these are some facts which will help you to get success in your life, and these are the facts according to research. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. As I always say, everything starts with you, so just do it. See you in next video. Till that time, take care. Namaste.